Namaste everyone. Bharti Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In last sutra, we learnt about Samprajnat Samadhi, a meditative state accompanied by Vitarka, Vichar, Anand or Asmita. In next sutra 1.18, Maharishi Patanjali describes the next stage, Asampragnat Samadhi, a stillness beyond awareness itself. The sutra 1.18 is Virama Pratyaya Abhyas Purva Sanskar Sheshu Anya. The meaning is that the other state, which is Asampragnat Samadhi, arises through constant practice of cessation, that is Parvairagya, in which all the fluctuations of the mind disappear. Only the impression of previous experiences remain. Asampragnat Samadhi is also known as Nirbij Samadhi, the seedless stage. In Sampragnat Samadhi, like previous sutra, awareness still remains. There is an object of meditation even if it is subtle. In Asampragnat Samadhi or Nirbij Samadhi, even that dissolves. Now the mind becomes completely still. No object, no thought, no other. Let's understand the key terms. Virama Pratyaya means thought or impression of cessation. It means complete stoppage of mental activity. Second is Abhyas Purva, meaning preceded by long, steady practice. It is not an accidental state. It comes from continuous, sincere Abhyas and Vairagya. Next is Samskara Shesha. Only subtle impressions remain. The thought waves have stopped, but the deep tendencies, samskaras, lie dormant in unconscious mind. Thus, Asampragnat Samadhi is the highest meditative absorption attainable through practice, where awareness of all objects ceases, but a faint, residual, latent impression still exists. In this state, a yogi does not experience silence. Yogi is silence. Think of a spinning top. As it slows down, the movement becomes subtle and then it seems motionless, though it is still rotating slightly. Finally, it stops completely, yet the potential to move remains. Similarly, in Sampragnat Samadhi, the mind is quiet, but subtle awareness still remains. And in Asampragnat Samadhi, all activity ceases. Only latent impression, samskara, remain. So, Sampragnat Samadhi, Sutra 1.17, is awareness with seed. Consciousness is still engaged. Sutra 1.18, Asampragnat Samadhi is awareness beyond seed, the consciousness resting in itself. Maharishi Patanjali uses this sutra to mark a profound truth, that the journey of yoga is not towards concentration, it is towards transcendence. Our earlier learning of Abhyas and Vairagya culminates here beautifully. Practice refines awareness and detachment allows it to dissolve completely. This is where even Parvairagya reaches fulfillment, where the self no longer experiences itself separate from anything. In Asampragnat Samadhi, the mental modifications, vrittis have stopped, only the samskaras, the latent impression remains. When these two are also transcended, then the final stage, liberation, Kaivalya, dawns. Thus, this sutra points to the threshold of liberation, silence before awakening. So we should ask, can I allow moments of deep stillness without labeling them as success or failure? In meditation, when thoughts stop, Can I simply rest without seeking new experiences? So, this was about Sutra 1.18, where we learnt Asampragnat Samadhi is a state of complete stillness where mental activity stops, only latent depression remains, and it arises after deep, long practice and supreme detachment. So, we will meet in our next episode with the next sutra. Namaste.